BDX Pro is a great bike, but one area that can be improved is radiator protection. The radiators on the X Pro, especially on the left hand side, sit actually proud of the widest part of the bike. So as soon as you hit the ground, the left hand radiator is the first thing to touch, and the radiators themselves have little protection from the stock factory shrouds. By adding a full cage type wrap radiator guard, it allows protection from side impact. The radiators feature 3 reinforcing ribs and also a radiator fan mount on the rear, which takes the original beater fan or any aftermarket fan. They also feature the scallop cutout that the new X Pro needs for the increased turning circle, already in the guards. On the right hand side of the X Pro, the first point of contact is generally going to be the expansion chamber. But as you can see, the radiator is also fairly well exposed, especially from front, side and rear. Check the website for this great product and also another 150 exclusive hard enduro related products.